Hey, what's up, guys? All right, so just a quick little video of what I got going on so far in the build. So I'm currently installing some gauges, VLS gauges, pretty cool gauges. I got a oil pressure, boost, and AFR. VLS gauges, really nice, really pretty. Look at that. All these, nice. So just kind of a little rundown of how I ran all my wires in here. I have my oil pressure sensor wire right in here. So I bought a sandwich plate, but apparently I didn't realize this is my first GTI. Bought it no less than a year ago. Well, I didn't realize the oil filters are oversized threads. So, of course, this Mishimoto one didn't fit. So, and I can't find anyone online that will fit a GTI. So what I'm doing, I'm buying a T and a little piece right there. That right there. When it gets here tomorrow, I'm gonna switch it out and connect my wire. Run it through here. Also have my boost wire or boost cable. Of course, I'm a vacuum hose. I'm gonna put zip ties on there, but I got that running through the bottom. I got my filter. You can see it down there, running through the boost sensor. And then, oh, and also I got the little adapter piece here from Torque Solutions. So normally I got my PCV, I believe it's a PCV thing here, and it connects to this hose and connects to your intake. Well, with the Torque Solutions one, it'll just be in the middle of that, and it comes with a little nipple on the bottom where you can connect the hose. And of course, I have a downpipe one from the O2 sensor for the what's it called, the air fuel sensor AFR gauge. So luckily I was smart about that. When I initially got the car, of course the first mods were intake, exhaust, and downpipe, and I knew I was going to eventually go this route, so I pre-welded a bong for an AFR gauge. So luckily it was easy. Probably wouldn't be able to see it through here, but, or maybe, oh look, right there, you can see it. Kinda, perfect, right there. So, and I ran all the wires. I don't know if you can see it, but there was the grommet area right next to it. I felt like I didn't have enough room in the grommet area, so right next to it, there's a little piece of plastic. So there's a little piece of plastic there. You can kind of see it. Yep, there it is. I drilled a hole into it. Of course, I'm gonna cover it up so that no fumes or anything gets through there. Luckily, there's a covering, like I guess like a cloth or some kind of cushion on the other side. It kind of helps it cover. And you see the other part right there, the grommet area where the main wire harness goes through, right next to there. And I ran all my stuff through there. So, of course, like I said, I got my oil pressure, vacuum hose, sensor, and then AFR gauge. And if we come this way, kind of see the bottom where wires are being ran through. Little spot right under that cushion there. Where it comes in, I already ran it. I just, of course, gotta set it up appropriately. I'm gonna move it up top somewhere, hide it pretty nice and sweet. And you can see wires will be going down this way. I got all my wires right up top, ready for the gauges and the gauge pot. So, interesting story. I bought a gauge pod from a custom gauge pod from Ortiz Custom Pods, you know, a few months ago. Well, they sent me a pod. Of course, I've been waiting for all the parts to come in and install it. Well, when I finally went to try to install it, my gauges, realized they sent me a wrong pod. It was for a Jetta, not a GTI. So I had to send that back, and then just to make it easier, I sent my OEM pillar, so they can just, you know, easy. They don't have to wait for they don't have to buy the other one, so that they can just do that one. Well, it was supposed to be delivered Friday, and of course, UPS said it got delivered like at 11:30 at night and never got delivered. And I actually have a video which I'll be putting right here.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Of the UPS stopping at my house at 7:30, and then driving off again, not delivering anything. So I gotta figure out. Hopefully that'll get here tomorrow or pretty soon, and then we'll be able to finally install my gauges and everything. But just a little rundown of how everything's connected, or where I ran everything through.